What's up, guys? It's been a while since I've done a car ride video, and currently I am waiting for my wife at the airport, so I thought I'd do a little report on some things that I took a look at today. And thanks to some of the people that are in my Discord server that enlightened me a little bit on things that are progressing over in China. And that's what we're going to be talking about. So I read a report that China might be opening up their trading again for Bitcoin and other things like that. And while that's partially true, it's not entirely true. So the exchanges that are going to be opening on November 1st are going to essentially be derivative exchanges, and you essentially have to bring capital to be able to trade on these types of exchanges, and you bring multipliers along with your capital, and so it's not really the type of exchange that I would use personally, but somebody was explaining it like BitMEX. If any of you know what BitMEX is, it's very similar to that, but OKCoin, one of China's largest exchanges, is going to be opening one of these types of trading platforms on the 1st, and so that is a start. And I also read reports that the Chinese president, if he gets reelected, then it'll look a lot better for cryptocurrencies and crypto assets because he is in favor of those things. So hopefully that does happen, and hopefully we do get somebody in power over there that is in favor of cryptocurrencies so that they don't deregulate it all, or I guess make it illegal, I should say. But it'll be interesting to see what happens with that. This is just kind of a stepping stone, in my opinion, to see what could happen in the future. Maybe they'll bring trading back altogether. If so, there's a lot that could happen. And again, this is all based on speculation, guys. Nobody really knows what's happening over there in China with the Bank of China. But whatever they decide, if they do decide to bring trading back, then the price of Bitcoin is obviously going to go back up. Honestly, I think that all of the gains that we've seen with Bitcoin over the weekend have been in part to this news. I think people are really speculating on this and assuming that it's going to happen. And who knows, they could be right. Also, there's a lot of news out there right now about the price of Bitcoin going to 10K, to 27K, to 50K. A lot of people talking about this, and a lot of people are riding on that. They're betting a lot of money on this happening, so it's really interesting to see. Another thing that we could see if China does bring back trading platforms is NEO. NEO is a Chinese cryptocurrency, and it did really well in China whenever trading was allowed. So if they were to bring exchanges back, then NEO would probably do extremely well again. Essentially, it's a Chinese version of Ethereum, and everybody knows how well Ethereum is doing right now, which, by the way, taking a look at the chart, it looks like Ethereum is up a little bit today. Last week, I did a technical and fundamental analysis of Ethereum, and I said Ethereum should be up based on its fundamentals, but it looked like it was headed down based on technical analysis. This week, it's showing that it's going up. So you never really know what could happen in this market. It's really unpredictable. I would not have placed my money on Ethereum last week based on the technical analysis, but it looks like it's going up. It's up a little bit today, not much. Everything is trading sideways pretty much while Bitcoin is doing its thing, you know, hitting a new all-time high. I think Bitcoin is down a couple $100 from its all-time high that it hit this weekend. But just like anytime Bitcoin hits a new all-time high, that happens. So it's no surprise. But yeah, I just wanted to talk about those few things, go over some things that I talked about in my Discord today. If you guys ever want to join my Discord, the link should be in the description later. I won't be able to post it right now because I'm not at my computer. But if you check in some of my other videos, it'll definitely be there. That's going to be it for today, guys. Clayford08 out.